Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the single displacement reaction between titanium and sulfuric acid. Check this out. For this experiment, we're using a test tube, my blowtorch. This is 18 molar sulfuric acid. We're going to use some titanium powder and a second test tube with 20 milliliters of distilled water and a dropper. Begin by measuring out about 2 grams of powdered titanium. Titanium is a transition metal. It has 22 protons. It was discovered in 1791 by the British clergyman and geologist William Gregor. And now you're ready to add your titanium to your test tube. Next, add several drops of concentrated 18 molar sulfuric acid to your titanium. At first, you'll notice that nothing's happening, and that's because titanium has an oxide layer that prevents it from being corroded by the sulfuric acid. So in a minute, we'll add some heat. To get the reaction started, we'll add heat from our blowtorch. As the sulfuric acid boils, you'll start to notice a color change. Next, add a little bit of water to your test tube, and it should start to look more purple as you heat it. Okay, and finally, if you wait for your test tube to cool, you can see that beautiful purple titanium. This is because of interference coloring, where there's a thin film of titanium dioxide that develops that causes different wavelengths of light to be reflected. Look at that beautiful purple coloring. Isn't that just mesmerizing? Just amazing. Look at that.
Here's the balanced equation for this amazing single displacement reaction. We start with the reactants titanium and sulfuric acid. We have 1 mole of titanium, that's Ti, and 2 moles of sulfuric acid, that's the 2+2H2SO4. When those are combined and heat is added, we get the products titanium sulfate and hydrogen gas. We have 1 mole of titanium sulfate, that's the Ti+2SO4, and we have 2 moles of the diatomic molecule of hydrogen gas, that's 2H2.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.